take a look in the curated bead box for this month, which is April, and this one is named Spring, and it looks like it has some really nice, pretty springy colors in it. Everything for the curated bead box that is inside it is listed on the front of the box, so that you can reference the beads and the item numbers. And then it also includes findings and memory wire and things like that in each box. Each box is about $20 a month. You can go to curatedbeadbox.com and get your subscription, and if you use the code GINA35%, you will get 35% off your first box if you're a first-time subscriber. So it comes in this really nice little box, and this is what it looks like on the inside. It's always wrapped really nicely. Let's take this out, open it up, and there's all kinds of stuff in this one. This box really even felt heavy. These beads are nice and heavy. So let me bring these out so you can see what's in there, and then I'll go ahead and organize it to the list on the front of the box and come back and we'll go through each one so we can see exactly what is in this box. Okay, so I have laid out everything that's in the box, and we're going to start with a 12mm lilac glass pearl bead, 8-inch string, and that's this, and it's a really pretty color. And then we have a 10mm crimson crackle glass bead, 8-inch string. This is really pretty, really nice color. Then we have 10mm baby blue silver leaf style glass bead, 8-inch string, and a 10mm green silver leaf style glass bead, 8-inch string. So that's these. These are really pretty. Very springy looking. And then we have an 8mm hot pink silver leaf style glass bead, and this is a really long, it's a 16-inch string. This one's really long. It is longer than my bead mat. It's really long. And then we have an orange, light orange silver leaf style glass bead, and this is a 10.5-inch string. And that's pretty. Lots of silver and orange, and that's pretty. And then we have the textured, the purple, 6mm purple rustic glass pearl bead. I love these textured. This one's pretty good size. It's 8mm, I believe. It says 6mm, but I think it's bigger than 6mm. It's got to be 8mm. Let's see. Yeah, it says 6mm. This is definitely bigger than 6mm. It's got to be an 8mm pearl. But it's really pretty. I really like it. And then, oh, now I'm curious. Let me just measure it with my gauge here and see. Yep, it's actually closer to 9mm. You see, 5... Yeah, it's definitely 8mm pearl. I don't know why I had to do that, but I just had to do that. And then we have a 6mm purple rustic glass, well, that was that one. 6mm red team and school glass bead. And we also have a deep orange team and school glass bead. So we've got these really pretty, just real nicely opaque, pretty colors. Nice long strands, and these are 6mm, so yeah, see how much bigger that is. And then we have a 12 by 8mm, 14 by 10mm green semi-opaque oval glass bead. These are pretty. It's really pretty. I like those. They have a nice faceting on them too, so they sparkle. And then we've got some drop beads here. This is a 12 by 8mm yellow faceted drop glass bead, 13-inch string. And this is pretty. See? Nice, good sized drops. It's really pretty. All the colors are very bright and happy colors. And then we've got this 6 by 4 millimeter colored dyed turquoise rondelle beads. So, dyed turquoise rondelle. I doubt seriously that's actually turquoise, but that's really cool. That would make a really neat little kid's bracelet or something like that. That's really cute. A little stretch friendship bracelet or something. And then we have, sorry, I didn't sleep well last night. I'm tired. We have 14 by 8 millimeter color dyed turquoise leaf bead, 10 beads. So that's what this is. And these are kind of cute too. And then we've got 16 by 12 millimeter silver ladybug metal charm bead, or metal charms. So they're one-sided charms, but they're cute. Little ladybugs. And that's that. So you can see them. Nice, cute little charms. And then we have a bag of poly resin beads, 24 beads, 12 millimeter pink stripe. Oops, I'll have to put that ladybug away. And these are resin. I'm not a big fan of resin beads, but they're kind of pretty. They're really pretty color. And that's what that is. Oops. I'm just throwing everything everywhere today. And then, of course, you always get your bag of findings. And in the bag, it has crimp beads, elastic, beading wire, memory wire, head pins, jump rings, ear wires, and lobster claw clasps. So let's look at this and see. And that's exactly what's in there. So you get your little crimp beads, head pins, jump rings, ear wires, lobster claw clasp, beading wire, elastic, and memory wire. So you can always, as soon as you get this box, you can always make something with it because it includes everything in it. You just need your imagination and put a few things together. And then you can have some really quick pieces of jewelry. So this is what came in the box. I'll lay it back out again here so you can see. And well, let's see, I got my bead pad all messed up. Jeez Louise. I shouldn't be making videos today. I should be sleeping. Okay, anyway, that's what's in the box. And like I said, this is a curated bead box, and it is about $20 a month. And you can go to curatedbeadbox.com. You can get 35% off your first subscription if you use the code Gina, 35%. And as long as you're a new subscriber, that should work out for you. And give it a try. Bye-bye.